हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल एड्यू गोल पर। आज हम एमएस वर्ड के कुछ एडवांस फीचर्स देखने जा रहे हैं। तो उन एडवांस फीचर्स में मैं आपको स्मार्ट लुकअप, फाइंड एंड रिप्लेस टेक्स्ट और भी कुछ चीज़ों के बारे में बताने वाली हूँ। तो यहाँ पे मैंने एक सिंपल सा पैराग्राफ जो है मैंने एक कॉपी किया है इंटरनेट से, जो कि इंडिपेंडेंस डे के बारे में है। तो मैं इसी के थ्रू आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें बताने वाली हूँ। ठीक है, तो आगे बढ़ते हैं। तो जो हम इसमें सबसे पहला फीचर देखेंगे दैट विल बी स्मार्ट लुकअप। सो बेसिकली स्मार्ट लुकअप फीचर क्या करता है, इट ऑटोमेटिकली फाइंड्स इंफॉर्मेशन सच एज डेफिनेशन, फ्रेजेस एक्सेट्रा इन द web, okay, using the Microsoft Bing search engine without forcing users to open up internet with a browser or run some search manually. Okay, so simply we can do it. So for this we can go to the, first of all we have to select the text whatever you want. Suppose I want to know about battle, so I will select battle. This word is here, so I will go to the references tab. In references tab here, in this research group, you can see the search. Okay, research group. Okay, so you can see about battle, that is a noun, and these are the synonyms, and these are the antonyms, and some other information about this, and some other options from the internet you can see. So this particular feature basically works for like if you want to know the synonym, or if you want to know that it is a verb or it is a noun or any other thing about particular text, so you can use it, or you can replace it also. So now after that we can see, suppose if you want to know about company, just search it and you will get the synonyms: firm, business, corporation, house, establishment, etc. Okay, so this is the simple smart lookup option. After that, if you want to find some kind of text, some bit of text from this particular paragraph, what you will do, just do control plus F. Control is F, simply finds the information, any information. If it is in to search, if I want to search for India, okay, so wherever it is given you can see that it will be highlighted. Okay, so just simply you can find any text that it is here or not. Okay, now if I want to find and replace text, so if I want to replace India with some other text like Hindustan, so just replace anyone or replace all the text. So replace all will replace, you can see now there will be no India. If you will search for, there will be no in, control will be there, control plus F, and if you will search for India, now there will be no India option. Okay, so here it is replaced with Hindustan. Now as I see that I have written a wrong spelling, so what I will do, I will replace control plus C, control plus V, Hindustan with India again. Now replace all, and that will be made. So this is a simple find and replace option through which you can just simply, if you have written some text and you want to write some synonym with the synonym of that particular text, you can just simply make a change. After find and replace text option, so you can also do these things. This was a shortcut key to find and to replace option, but if you want to do the same thing with the tabs, so you can see there is the, in the home tab there is a option, an editing group, find and replace. Okay, so by which also you can also do the same thing. If you don't remember the, basically you have to remember some shortcut keys if you are using Excel or MS Excel or other office applications. Now if you want to make a specific particular line or particular group of text as a as a hyperlink. So what you have to do, suppose I want to make a hyperlink for British. Okay, text, the first text, or I want hypertext for flag, like flag. Okay, so what I have to do, if I want to make this as a hyperlink, then I have to go to the insert tab. Okay, now in insert tab you can see there is a links group, and here you can see the link option. Just simply click over there. Okay, now if I want to go from the existing file or web page, then browse pages, whatever you can see over here. Okay, so these are the files. Suppose I want to see this particular option, and I want to document, place in this document, whatever. Look at this target frame. Okay, so these are the options through which you can make this particular text as a hyperlink file. Okay, so if you want to link this particular file with some other file, so I have to choose some other file. Okay, so I will choose it from, suppose like I will choose it from desktop, and in desktop you can see so many files are there. So suppose if you want to choose any image for this, okay, and now you can see whenever you will click on that file, hold a control plus key to follow the link. So control plus key you will use to follow the link. Control and click, and then there was some image of Swami Vivekanand, so I have linked it. So you, whatever file I have used, that was from our computer itself. Now whenever you can see whenever I am pressing control key, I can images, the mouse cursor is converted into the hand shape. Okay, so this is. Now if I want some other kind of text as a hyperlink, so I will do the same thing, go to the link, and suppose I want to create a new document or create a new path for that, so I will just select it. Okay, and make it. If you want to make an address, email address, you can write it over here. Okay, if you want to type some email address or some other file location, some address, so you can take it. Suppose I want to take a file from internet, so I will just simply type it, and I said suppose okay, so okay, and then whenever I will just go with this, I can see that the page will be redirected to google.com. so here you can search for anything. So I have not saved any file, or I have not copied any link for this particular file. Suppose I am going to singers, okay, singers of India. So if I want to search for this particular page, so I can just simply copy this link, and then I will do the same. I will just go to my Word file, and then will go to this, and I will paste the same link over here, and then press OK. Now you can see that whenever you will click over there, you will directly redirect to the singers page of India. Okay, so this is a very simple way. If you are connected to the internet, you can use the internet facility, or if you have saved any file regarding that particular information, you can just simply put the location of the file, wherever it is in your computer, in your PC, you just simply put the location of the file, or you can just simply make a selection, and just the address will be saved and the file will be redirected every time whenever the user will be clicking to the hyperlink. Okay, so this was the simple hyperlink option. Now suppose I want to use the drop cap option, so I want to make a drop cap for this particular text. So again we will go to the insert tab, and in the insert tab we can see that in the text group there is a drop cap option. So here in the text group, this is the drop cap. Okay, so you can see these are the options, and other drop cap options are here. So whatever you want to select, just select it, whatever size you want to select. So how many cover have to cover, these kind of things you can add. Okay, so I will to tell you some alignment things. So suppose here you can see in the right side the alignment is not equal. So what you have to do, you have to select your text through mouse, or you can just simply go to Ctrl+A. Ctrl+A is much better. Now just you can see there are 4 different type of alignments are here. So if I am choosing left alignment, I can see like this, center alignment like this, right alignment like this, and if I am choosing justified alignment, so I can see that there is all text are equal from the left and from the right side both. So I want to increase the margin from here and also from so this is a simple alignment option. Okay, you can save your file. Now if I want to change the page color, or if I want to apply some different formatting options, suppose I am going to tell you the conditional formatting option, column formatting option. So there are some column formatting options. Suppose I have to select this text, particular text, and then suppose in newspaper you can see there are multiple small columns like sections are there. So if I want to select, I have to go to layout group, and here in the page setup option I can see columns. Okay, so columns, if I want 2 columns, if I want 3 columns, you can see that now this page will be divided into 3 columns like this, this and this. Okay, if you want to change the orientation or landscape, so now this will be like this. Let me show you the print preview. If you will see the print preview option, you can see over here the print will be, this is the horizontal, and if you want to change it, we can directly add print preview option here. So this is a print preview of landscape and portrait. This is a portrait and that was the landscape option. Okay, so I think this is understood to you. In this video we will see only these options. In the next video I will tell you some more features of MS Word. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye, take care.